Hello, hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel CNC for TDM. In this video, we are going to create a program for CNC milling. This is a profile, this is a contour, and I want to create a program for this profile. So these are the points mentioned here. Our tool cutter will start from point A to B, then C, D, E, F, G, H, and then again A. So this is the profile. I want to cut this profile like this. Okay. So in this profile, these are straight lines. One chamfer is there, and this one radius is there, R10 here, and this one more radius is there, R10. So at two places, radius are there, and at one place there is one chamfer. Okay, and the length of the contour is 60 mm given here, height is 50 mm, and here this size is given 40. So all the sizes are given in the drawing. So what we have to do is, I will take this A point as x0, y0. Let us take this x0, y0. If this point is x0, y0, then what will be the, in absolute mode, what will the coordinates of B point? B, because this total length is 60, R is 10. So this length here is 50 mm, because from 50 this radius starts now like this. So straight length is 50 mm. So what I have to do is, in the first line, because it is a linear movement, so let us take this N1 first line. So x50 and y0. Okay, x50 and y0. So this is the cut here from A to B. This distance A to B is the command for this. Okay, then N2, line number 2. Now I have to cut this radial profile from point B to C. What are the final coordinate of the C point? C point is x is 60 and y is 10. And this because 10 is radius, so y point will be 10 here. So x 60 and y 10. Okay. So, but because this is an arc and it is cutting, cut is our anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction means, so this will be G03. Here it was in the first line, because it was simple linear cutting, so I have to give command is G01 is the command for linear cutting. Okay, G01 x50 y0. But here, because it is anti-clockwise cutting, so command will be G03. Okay, G03 x60 y10. This is the final point. Destination point is x60 y10. But because R is there, radius 10, so I have write here R10. R is 10. Okay. Because here R is 10. Okay. Anyhow, enter. Then in next line, N3. Now we have moved our tool up to point C. Now we are at point C. Now we have to go to point D. What are the point coordinates of the point D? X is 60 and y is 50. So now it is G01, because it is linear cutting. G01 X, how much is the X? X is 60 and Y is 50. X 60, Y 50. Okay. So now we have come at the point D. Okay. Then from D to E, straight cutting is there again. So what I have to do is then N4 in next line. What I have to do is N4, because straight cutting is there and the coordinate of the point B E. Sorry, what are the coordinates? In Y direction it is 50 only, and how much in the X direction? Because this is 25 up to center, and if I subtract this R10, this length will be 15. 25 minus 10, it is 15. So that means what are the coordinate of the X point? 60 minus 15. How much it is? It is 45. So G01 again, G01 X 45. How much is X? X is 45. 60 minus 15, it is 45, and Y is still 50. Y is 50. Okay. So these are the coordinates. Okay. Enter. Then now we have come to point E now, and we have to come to point F. Cutting will be from E to F, and this is circular cutting, and this cutting is clockwise. Okay. Then N5 G02. Okay. G02. What are the coordinates of F? Coordinates of F are, if you see here, 25 plus 10, it is 35. 60 minus 35, it is 25. So X 25, X will be 25, and Y again 50. Y will be 50. Y is 50 and X is 25. Again R is 10. Again R I have to define here. Radius is 10 mm. Okay. So with this I have come to point F now. Okay. Then in next line, at line number 6 and 6, what will happen now? At point G, coordinates are in X, it is only 10. So coordinate, because it is G01 linear cutting, G01 X is how much? 10, and Y is again 50. Y is 50. Okay. So now we have come at point G. In next line N7, because chamfer is there, cutting is linear. Linear cutting means command will be G01 only. G01. Okay. And what are the coordinates of the H point? X is 0 and Y is 40. X is 0, Y has changed now, Y is 40. Okay, so then linear cutting will be there like this up to this point, because coordinate of the H are 0 and 40. Okay, again enter. Next line is N8. In N8, now again what I have to do is I have to come to this point A. Coordinate of the A are X0, Y0. So again G01 X0, Y0. So X0, Y0. This way we have come again to this point. Now, because our tool is at this point, and what I have to do is N9. So because some depth was there, I was cutting this profile. We have to go to some in Z position, say G01, 01, Z50. Let us say it is Z50. It will go to this height from 0 level. It will come in the Z axis. It will go to 50 height, and then N10 M30 program stopped. So program is stopped now. So this way we can create a simple program for a contour. So because initially we have started just from 0 0, so in the initial line we can also add some line here. You can say first of all, if I take it here, x0 y0 0 y0 and z50. If I start from here, and then in the next line what I can do is because it is at some height, initially we should take it at some height, and then we should take the depth in the second line. In the second line, what I can do is I can just take this depth, say z -1. This is depth of the cut. Okay. If I take this 1 mm depth and then I start this. So this way, this is a complete program. This way you can make a program for a contour, simple milling contour, just for beginners. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video soon. Please like, share and subscribe.